HCS. Thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Leo, and since you're stopped by here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm loading this channel with a lot of content. I am a busy guy. I do a lot of things, but I am going to make time for you to load up this channel with a lot of great content. So since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification button. In case you can't stay through this full video, you come back later and check it out. And on this channel, I teach a lot of how-to videos. Potentially make money because you have to do the work. There's no get rich quick overnight. You might hit a few failures. You might hit this and that. The point is you keep going. Like this says right here, it doesn't matter how many times you have failed. You just have to be right once. And use any failures you have had as a lesson not to do that again, kind of type thing. So, and stay till the end of this video. I got some cool stuff. And by the way, since you're here, in the link below this video, in the description, I want to have a link in case you want to get my new book. It is free for a limited time. Go ahead and get it. A lot of cool stuff in there. And I have a training link for you in case you're interested in Microsoft Bing ads. I'm going to have a link in the description close to this other link that is going to give you access to Microsoft Bing's training course. And I am not an affiliate for it. I do not get anything for it. It's just I thought I'd share it since this video is about Microsoft anyway. So let's step into the video right here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I'm going to get rid of my image here on the bottom left. This is for you. And always run a test. You always want to run a test on any ads you're doing, whether it's social media ads or search engine ads. You always want to run a test. So I ran a test on one of these that I had, and it did okay. I think I got a few signups on my landing page. It doesn't say it here, but then again, I do have ads everywhere, so I could have got that from anywhere. But I ran a test. You might want to run, $5, $10. But the more you put in, the more you get noticed, kind of. So I just want to test it with $35. And these are my results right here. I mean, this ad is not something. My prior ad that I made for Bing was, or Microsoft ads, was in weight loss. And I did get a lot of traction off of that one. This one right here was a test for business opportunity. I will leave that business opportunity in the link below as well, the description. The link will be in the description, of course. Can't talk right. Anyway, I tested this out just to see how it would do on search engine ads, and it got some clicks. I mean, it did pretty good. I think that because it wasn't doing too good the first day. I called Bing the next day, Microsoft. I called them the next day, and they guided me through a few things. So I want to show you right here. This did okay. I mean, I'm not upset with nothing like this. I'm going to be learning this. There's so much that this Microsoft offers that I didn't even know about it. So I'm going to share with you a few things that they taught me. And because I wasn't even getting this many impressions at first, I wasn't getting this many clicks. I only had, I would say, about 11 clicks. So it jumped up pretty good. I got noticed out there. I just got to either put more money into it or, tweak it around a little bit. So I'm going to go for a new campaign here, and I'm going to start from, this is just an example run. So what I would go for right here, since I want people to visit my websites, you could have them visit your websites, visit my local business, conversions in my website. So there's so many things you could reach for. Researching tools. They got research keywords. They got a keyword planner right here. Import from Google AdWords. If you got an ad running in AdWords, you could bring it over here and run it here. You could run it on both platforms or just transfer it here. So I'm going to go for visit my website. Now, before, in the past, when I ran this for a weight loss product, this option was not available. So you could do audience ads or search ads. I'm going to stick for this example search ads because audience. I went there and it's a little different. You of course you pick your audience, you pick all that, kind of like similar to what you do kind of on Facebook. But let's go over here to search. So we're going to run this the tester, our tester. We're going to run a tester. Use campaign setting from another campaign. I don't want to do that. So right here, I mean, sometimes if you go down very, like let's say I go $2. Let's see if it'll even let it. Hey, it will. So you could run a test here. I mean, let's say you want to do just $5 a day. $5. Make sure you put your little decimal point in there, because if you don't, you don't think you're doing 500. So, and then you want to go down here to see where you want it to run at. So I'm going to open this up, zoom in a little bit. You could do Canada, United States, available countries, regions. You let me choose. So I'm going to do let me choose, because let's say I just want to do United States. So that's going to bring in United States, and I'm just going to right here, I'm going to push target. I don't want to know 5 miles, 25 miles, none of that. I'm just going to say target United States. So that's going to stay right there. And then people in targeted locations, people searching or viewing pages about your target locations. I'm going to get rid of this one because I want people just in that targeted locations. Sometimes people are traveling or whatever, in and out of, the country, whatever. And I want to just target specifically United States. So down here you could pick your English, Spanish, whatever it may be. I'm going to go to the next step. I'm going to stay on English for now. Website URL. So let me go find me a URL. I got a few right here. I'm just going to pick one of them. If it pops up, I should have had this ready, but I didn't. I got my funnels on a easy access to right here. So I'm going to pick for this example traffic secrets, right? So we're going to open this back up. Sorry about that. Oops. Then I'm going to enter my website right here. Traffic, ad group name, we're doing tester. Then keywords. This is where this gets interesting. This is going to pull up online courses. It's going to pull up so many keywords. Online course group. And you could either add your keywords in here. You could go to wherever you get your keywords from. There's a Uber Suggests. Neil Patel's. I don't know if you're in the internet marketing world, you have to have heard of Neil Patel. If not, go check him out. But you're going to add keywords from in here. So let's say you want to pick, and this is what it's going to show you. It's going to show you if the competition is real high on that keyword, or if it's medium, or if it's really low. So this could take you a while to do, because it's going to take some time to actually, if you got, there's so much competition out there. So if you got this competition right here, you're going to want to get something. I mean, you might just have to jump in the competition, since that's what you're doing anyway. But if not, you want to pick something low, but then you take the chances of who's going to pick that keyword. So keywords are very important. So let's say you want to pick keywords from here, the 4 keywords. Once again, check out the competition, monthly average cost per click. So this one right here, colleges, online course, that's high. And then you're going to go here, and you're going to add it to the tester. I don't know what happened there. Oh, add. You press add, and it brings it over here. So there's other things you can do, which is, let's see, traffic group. This is going to bring up all these right here when you click this. So you could either copy all these, come back to your tester group right here, paste them all in. You could also create different ad groups. There are different ad groups you could do in this. The other day when I was going through, when the advisor from Microsoft called me back, we had a good conversation, and he put me through a bunch of this. So you could add different groups. Let me kind of show you what else he showed me. So that's why I asked you to stay till the end. So for the keywords, you just kind of, whatever keywords you think that will fit your page, your landing page, your website you're actually promoting, whether it be in, household stuff, pets, whatever your niche, you could get those keywords. This will bring up the keywords that it looks and it sees that what you're promoting here. It's going to automatically bring up stuff that can, keywords that can relate to it. So let's move on to the next step. So here you're going to create your ad. And then in your ad, let's see if it, what happened here? Here we go. Final URL is, oh, wow. Yeah, we don't want that big URL. We want this one. So I'm going to put that URL in there, and then right here, get the best traffic source, and then that's going to only allow you, I think it allows you 30 characters. You want to go to part 2. You want to put your period in there. This is what is this is dominating. Okay, then you could put a 3 in there. Powerful. I'm just using this as an example, everybody. I'm not I'm just throwing words in there. But you want to use power words, power keywords, powerful, get the best traffic source, dominate, just want to use stuff out there that's going to catch people's attention. Powerful course. And then down here you're going to put the ad text. I'm just going to come get it or the best is right here. You could put another ad in there and it kind of keeps going and going. So I didn't want to do all that right now. I just kind of go in here and kind of show you. You put your own keywords, your own ad copy, everything like that. If you have something, maybe you might have a folder already that has a bunch of powerful ads already that's been proven to work. I mean, you could use that in here and kind of make it your own. So I prefer audience ad format. I do not prefer that. So for this one, I'm going to save, go to another. Okay, what did I just do? Save. No changes have been made. Let's see what I didn't do right. Okay. So that's what I did just for this example here. And then if you want to create more, you could create all these. It's going to take more time. Like I said, I'm just running you through a quick. I'm really not done yet. I have a lot more things I want to show you. But you can just fill all these out or just kind of skip and go to the next one. Okay, I didn't want to add for this one. So let's see. Powerful. Yeah. You never want to put trust in an ad. I didn't mean to put two ad groups here. I actually created the other one, so I'm just doing that right here. Okay, just did that. Kind of go to the next step here. Okay, we're going to save these. Ad created. Okay, got it. So it's going to go to approval. It's not going to go through because I didn't put no money on it. But this is what I wanted to show you right here. Ad groups, ad settings. Where is it? Ad extensions. So you're going to want to put your, let's see, you're going to want to add an image. Call out. Let's start out with call out extensions. These were pretty cool when he showed me this. And whether you're giving a free PDF or you're giving something away, you put in here like free PDF or downloadable digital book, whatever it may be. And then image is where you kind of place your image at. So I use this one on my last one, but if you're going to run a fresh one on this campaign, let's see right here. Okay, let's see. Like I said, I'm just using it for an example, but it's not dropping into my other one that I just did. I don't know why. See, I want to edit, delete association. No. So anyhow, this is what you do. You go to add image extensions, and you load up the ad, or you could pick one that Bing gives you. And the thing of Bing or Microsoft, the reason why Bing and Microsoft gives you those ads that they have is that they're already sized, they already fit. So you could add those, add just a certain ad you feel that's appealing, that people are going to grab attention, and go from there. So you could put your location extension, price extension, review extension, site link extension, structure snippet. So in here, you're going to put whatever your, so let's say you need to add an extension, right? This is from the one from yesterday. So, and the reason I think it's not letting me get to the ones that, the one that I just used for a test is because it hasn't got approved yet. That's the only reason I could think, but I want to continue using this for an example. Whatever your landing page says, whether it's traffic or pets, whatever it may be, you want to make sure the values, let's see if it's a whatever, like this right here was a course. So I got it under courses, and it talks about mortgage, auto loans, student loans, etc. Then you can add more stuff like that. So the only way, the way that I changed this in my last one is because the ad was already running. So that's when I called the guy and let him know, and he kind of guided me through all this. So it's pretty cool on what he did. And I'm just kind of letting you know a couple of tips right here. Like, I'm going to have that link in the description if you want to take the time and learn these ads, because they're very powerful. If you look up here in SimilarWeb, I mean, look how many monthly visits this gets. Almost 1 billion monthly visits. So people still use Microsoft Bing. They have their preferences. So if you want to use your keywords right here, you can always go to your keywords and it'll bring up your keywords. And this will not get approved because I'm not going to let it. I was just using this to run a test, of course. But these right here in ad extensions is very important that you go in here and pick out what you want to do, make it to your ad, and go from there, because there's so much you can do. I'm going to be making some more videos on this as I learn more stuff. I test it out. I try it. If things go good, I will make another video. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, everybody. But I hope if you decide to use Microsoft Bing ads, you click the link in the description below and get your courses off of there. Once again, they are free. I do not get any affiliate commission. I'm just sharing with you, because when you're on the internet, you have to take action and try different things. So I'm going to be making some more videos on some other how to place ads somewhere. I'm going to make some other videos, but I will not make those videos till after I test them and to see how my results are, because I don't want to show any I'll talk to you about bad results, but I don't want to show them. You get it? So have a good day or good night. See you later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button since you're here if you liked it. If not, no worries. Bye.